Yo, 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 yo. Ah, bro, what is you on, man? What? What? I got work tomorrow. And you snoring all loud, bro. You snoring hecka loud. You probably woke up the whole block by now, bro. I need you to calm down with that. Yeah, yes. Yeah, sorry. Alright, man. Alright, well, good night. Bruh, I'm legit about to drop you right. Bro, what'd you do that for? I told you to stop snoring. I told you. Down me, you should pour water on me. You got the whole bed wet. Yeah, your side of the bed, not mine. Look, I'm sorry, bro. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna snore again, bro. If you snore again, I'ma kill you. I'm for real. I'm going to actually murder you, man. I'm sorry.
Let Miss Clean, my drip frosty like hoes in Listerine. All stars, you hardly 6'3".
Yeah, I had the ball hard to hard.